It's time to do the Superpowers Go spell. Are you ready? 3, 4, go! Right, copy me into your spell pose. Okay, hands together in front like this. Now twist to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot your arms up the middle. Now 3 big circles with your arms. 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Same moves again. Hands together. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms up the middle. Big circles. 1, 2, 3. Now clap. Say Superpowers Go to send the magic to me. Superpowers Go! Go, Twig!
Go on. Mega triple wing! Wowza! That's amazing!
Thanks, everybody! Our big world magic helped save the day! The weeds are gone!